Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by seating your picking hand correctly. Rest the fleshy edge of your palm lightly on the bridge, close enough to touch the strings but not the saddle. This contact controls sustain. Moving closer gives more string ring, farther back mutes more. Once positioned, keep your wrist relaxed and your thumb anchored behind the neck for counterpressure. Make small adjustments while picking a single open string so you hear a controlled, choked tone. That immediate feedback tells you when your palm is in the right spot. Now refine the mute by changing pressure and attack. Reduce or increase the palm's contact until you achieve the desired choked sound. You pick closer to the bridge for clearer, brighter muted notes. Move away for darker, more percussive bites. Also change the pick angle and use both downstrokes and upstrokes to keep attack even. Practicing steady 8ths or 16ths helps. As you play chords, let individual strings breathe slightly under your palm for defined rhythm, while preventing unwanted. Finish by applying palm mute to full chords and rhythmic patterns. Mute bass strings more for that chunky rhythm while allowing treble strings to sparkle if desired. Practice rolling your palms slightly to move between muted and open sounds within the same phrase, which gives dynamic contrast. If you hear buzzing or dead notes, lighten your palm pressure a touch or slide a few millimeters toward the saddle, then recheck your wrist tension. Keep repeating these adjustments until the mute is consistent and musical under tempo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.